Sairam, dear children. Today I am teaching animal around us. Okay. So for class 2 EVS part 3 chapter 12. In part 2 I have explained to you about the animals, wild animals and homes of wild animals. Like lions and tigers live in dens. Birds build nests to live and rabbit live in burrows. Bears live in caves like this. So now let us move on to the explanation of part 3, animal around us. So now we have food of animals. Okay. So we have finished home of animal. Now let's move on to food of animals. Okay children. So like us, animals also need food to live and grow. Isn't it children? We'll eat food daily, 3 times a day. So like us, they also want to eat food to live and grow day by day. Okay. So these are the examples of herbivores. So the animals like cow, buffalo, goat, monkey, deer, giraffe, zebra, etc. are herbivores. Why we call it as herbivores? So see, the animals like cow, buffalo, goat, monkey, deer, giraffe, zebra. So they eat only plants or plant product. Okay. So these animals are called herbivores. Plant and plant product means like plant like grass, all this. Plant product means like horse, gram, tour, all this they'll eat. Okay. So see, cow, buffalo, sheep, monkey, deer, giraffe, zebra, all these are herbivores. Okay. So now move on to carnivores. Some animals like lion, tiger, snake, wolf, etc. eat other animals. They are called flesh eating animals or carnivores. So I'll show you the animals: lion, tiger, snake, wolf. So all the animals are carnivores. They'll eat flesh. After that we have omnivores. Okay. So some animals like bear, fox, etc. eat flesh of other animals as well as plants. So these animals will eat plants and also flesh. Okay. So bear, fox, all those are omnivores. Okay. So now we have summary: food of animals, herbivores, carnivores, omnivores, and some of the examples I showed you, animals. Okay. So questions section: what are herbivores? What are carnivores? What are omnivores? Fourth one, give some examples for herbivores. You have to write the examples of herbivores animal, plant eating animal. Okay. And give fifth question, give some examples for omnivores. Omnivores means the animals who eat flesh of other animals as well as plants. Okay children, understood? Keep practicing. Write down all these questions in your classwork and practice it. Okay, thank you.